Hello. In my last video, I talked about how you can find trends for your RedBubble creations. Today, I want to talk about how you can use those trends for your own creations. This video will be more about how you can take advantage of the trends you find and incorporate them in your own design. Let's start by going to RedBubble. As you can see here, the very first step. If you just click in the search bar up here, you can see trending searches. And these are right now Pamela Anderson, You Bake the World a Better Place, and Whoopi Goldberg. None of those are something that I am interested in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up here, just write A, and then we see ATF is Poo Poo, Arms Family Homestead, and Austria, not Australia. But let's continue. B, Bangla BF, Bangla BF. Be brave and follow your dreams. Better send those refunds. Really nothing that I am very interested in, so let's go on. Coffee spelled backwards. I have no idea what this could be, but let's click on it and see. Coffee spelled backwards. It has 1,122 results. And if I go in here to trending, we can see what products is trending. And it actually looks like this is something for t-shirts mostly. What I do when I go through this is I have my little notebook here. Let me show you. Remove this temporarily. And I just write down the things. Coffee, spelled backwards, was trending. And it had just a few, 1,100 something possible things. And then I will put coffee just in parentheses because I will come back to that maybe later on. I'm just here for the free ice cream. That sounds like something we could do a lot with. So let's look at it and let's go to trending and see what we find. And let me take a note. Seems like popular on t-shirts again. And the last one, Zodiac birthday, Aquarius. But Aquarius is almost over. So Pisces, they have only 105 results. So maybe that can be something to work on. And here it seems like notebook, t-shirt, and lots of stickers. Now I have taken down notes for 3 different possible trending words or terms that I might be interested in using for my own art. My next step is I use one of the 2 websites I talked about a little bit in my last stream. And I will do a deep dive into this website next week. This is PodCS. And I am on RedBubble Trends. So let's start by just coffee and see what's happening. And as you can see, the very first one is this one, coffee spelled backwards. The competition here is low. It has 694 products. And you can see among the 10 top ones, there are 3, 4, 5, 6 t-shirts and 2 coffee mugs. If you look under here, t-shirt 55%, stickers 31%, and long sleeve t-shirt 7%. We see the rating history for that. It was 1 star until 11th of February. It just blew up to 4.5 stars and it's been there for 4 days. So if I'm quick using this, I might hit on something good. My next step is to sit down with paper and pen, have my notes. I have my two phrases, coffee spelled backwards, and I'm just here for the free ice cream that I will keep on working on. I will start sketching around 5, 6 sketches for each. I will create designs for t-shirts. I will create designs specifically for darker t-shirts. In my next video, I will start talking about the websites I use to find trends, tags, and create my own tags. They are Bubble Spider and PodCS. Depending on how long these videos will be, I might do one video with both of them, or I will split them up to 2 videos. Until next time, bye!